Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about DoorDash app problems again. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, Reese Lance. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And what he is describing to me is a glitch that he is currently experiencing on the DoorDash app. And let's be honest, DoorDash has experienced more than their share number of glitches. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this email, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, as well as the platform itself and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Hey, I'm not sure if you've experienced this issue before or if you heard of this happening. When I click Dash Now or Dash Along the Way in the area close to me, my screen literally goes completely white. What's funny is recently I had an issue where I couldn't schedule to dash at all. So no dash now, no dash along the way, and no scheduling. AKA you've been essentially blocked from being able to dash on the platform, whether it was intentional or via a glitch. Sounds like a very DoorDash thing to happen. It happened because in an area next to me, I was top dasher, but in my area, it's the new Dasher program, and I was only gold. Okay. So this isn't the first time that an area gets updated from Top Dasher to the Dasher Rewards program, which is absolute garbage. Because of that, there's a lot of glitches that happen. People that had Top Dasher can't maintain Top Dasher, and they give no notice on the fact that they're shifting it until it's already done. Meanwhile, people are working their tail off to get Top Dasher and keep the Top Dasher rewards, and they're not honoring Top Dasher in that area. My question is, did they even give you notice that they were doing it, or did they just do it? Because I feel like doing it that way is like dishonoring the overall deal you've had with Dashers, and that's really messed up, at least in my opinion. Yesterday was March 31st. I was platinum that day, and when I hit Dash Now, no problems. Today is April 1st, so the old Top Dasher would start today. I can currently schedule in the areas with the old program, and the areas with the new one I cannot schedule at all. Oh, that's interesting. So in your area, based on what you're describing, you kind of got half and half, where some areas still have Top Dasher, still have the benefits of Top Dasher, but some have implemented the Dasher Rewards program, and that's all within your general location. Oh, that has got to be the most frustrating thing to deal with. I wonder if they updated it mid-month like they did with the last guy we were talking about on this exact subject. Although then again, it's April 1st, so this could be an April Fool's Day prank on DoorDash's part, right? But now, even when I try clicking Dash when it's busy, I get a plain white screen, and contacting DoorDash support for these issues is like contacting a circus. It's like they never know what's going on.
No! Everyone's favorite thing about circus shit, the motherfucking clowns!
I mean, to be fair, I'm looking at this, I wouldn't know what's going on either. I feel like you would need to send this to like a technical support team, and even still, they're not even gonna do anything. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, I feel like there are a lot of people that are just getting pushed into the Dasher Rewards program from having a Top Dasher and overall Top Dasher mindset, and they're getting shocked when they finally see this. This is exactly why you gotta keep up with your favorite content creators. I'm not even saying that for just me. I'm saying that for Pedro DoorDash Santiago or whoever you follow. I know that Dashing Trader talks about this content. I know Zach Drives Fast talks about this content. Kim Side Money Plans. Either way, you gotta keep up with your content creators to see what is actually going on in the gig economy, because you would know that some areas are starting to get the Dasher Rewards program. Yes, they shouldn't have sprung it on you like that, but that's how they do things. That's a very DoorDash thing for them to do. And it's also important to diversify your gig portfolio and develop an exit strategy. I know I sound like a like a broken record on this subject, but it's so true. You literally just got the Dasher Rewards program, and it feels like you're being blocked out. And yes, this could absolutely just be a glitch, and you sent this to me on April 1st. It's 420 right now. 2 different humorous holidays. This could have already been resolved if it was resolved at all. But if it's not resolved, this is why you diversify your gig portfolio and make sure you develop an exit strategy. Because you never want to be too dependent on a singular gig app, because look what just happened. You were blocked out of DoorDash. Whether it was intentional by DoorDash or accidental is irrelevant, because it still happened. And the way you were making money at that period of time was blocked off. Not to mention, if you're diversifying, you may accidentally find a better paying opportunity. Like recently, I just got onboarded into Bolt deliveries and Walmart Spark. And Walmart Spark is doing pretty well for me so far. Bolts were still in the onboarding process. That's another catering app. But then there's also UberEats, Grubhub. There's also Delivered. This is why you treat the gig economy as an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal. It's not the goal, because let's say they never fix this issue. Now you're blocked out of DoorDash. This is a soft deactivation, a shadow ban, or in this case, a white screen of doom. Now again, I really hope that they fix the issue and this is a moot point, but the fact remains that you gotta do what you can to protect yourself financially. As for how to fix this, I mean, you could try uninstalling and reinstalling and stuff like that, but it sounds like it's an internal issue to where they gotta fix it on their end, and I really hope that they did. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!